When you decide to grow your own food, the first big question is where to plant: raised beds or in-ground. Raised beds let you control soil and design, while in-ground gardening connects you directly to your land. Each method has passionate supporters and unique benefits. Raised beds offer custom soil and easy access. In-ground is simple and cost-effective. There's no universal answer. Your choice depends on your space, soil, and goals. Think of raised beds as custom homes for your plants, and in-ground as working with the neighborhood you have. Both can be productive but require different planning and effort. Before you start digging or building, let's break down what each method really means. We'll look at the pros and cons of raised beds and in-ground gardens. By the end, you'll know which path fits your gardening dreams. Let's get started. Raised beds are gardens built above ground, framed by wood, stone, or other materials. You fill them with your own soil mix, giving you total control over nutrients and texture. They're perfect if your yard soil is poor, rocky, or hard to work with. Raised beds drain well, warm up quickly in spring, and can extend your growing season. They're also easier on your back. Build them higher for less bending and kneeling. Downsides: the initial cost of materials and soil can add up. Raised beds dry out faster, so you'll need to water more often. Still, for many, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. If you want a neat, manageable garden with great soil, raised beds are a strong choice. Let's see how in-ground gardening compares. In-ground gardening is the classic way, planting directly into your yard's soil. It's affordable. No frames, no extra soil, just basic tools and seeds. This method works with what you have, making it accessible for most people. In-ground gardens hold moisture better and have more stable soil temperatures. They're great for larger spaces and crops that need room to spread. The main challenge is soil quality. Compacted, clay-heavy, or nutrient-poor soil takes time to improve. Drainage can be an issue, especially after heavy rain. Weeds are more common since their seeds are already in the ground, but with patience and compost you can build rich, productive soil over time. In-ground gardening is simple, natural, and budget-friendly. Now, how do you choose between the two? Choosing your method depends on your soil, budget, physical needs, and space. If your soil is rich, in-ground is easy and cheap. Poor soil? Raised beds let you start fresh. Tight budget? In-ground wins. Just add seeds and compost. Raised beds cost more but offer convenience and accessibility, especially if bending is tough. Small yard or patio? Raised beds fit anywhere and look tidy. Large space? In-ground gardens let you grow more and bigger crops. Think about your goals, resources, and what will keep you gardening happily. There's no wrong answer, just what works for you. Let's talk about mixing both methods. You don't have to pick just one method. Many gardeners blend raised beds and in-ground plots. Use raised beds for crops needing perfect soil and easy access, like greens and herbs. Plant sprawling crops, pumpkins, melons, squash, directly in the ground for space and moisture. Mix and match to suit your plants and your lifestyle. Your garden can evolve. Start small. Add more beds or plots as you grow. The real goal is to enjoy growing your own food however you do it. Experiment, adapt, and share your journey. Tell us, do you prefer raised beds, in-ground, or both? Your story could inspire someone else to start their own garden. Happy gardening!